Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your existing account on the Sololearn application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Sololearn application on your device, and if you haven't already logged in, you will be taken into the login and sign up page. From here, tap on login at the bottom section in order to use your credentials, or if you have signed up using your Google account, you can tap on continue with Google. Just enter your email address within the given section and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. Finally, tap on the login button and now you will be logged in to your Sololearn account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will see the forgot password option within the login screen, and there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Sololearn application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.